Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is my 91 Nissan 300ZX, and we are replacing the motor on it. Oh, we did the motor already, pretty much. So come here. It'll be kind of dark in here. The lights turned off as of right now. All right, so this is the motor that we threw in. It's just a replacement motor that they call it. I have a stock motor over there. I guess I blew the head gasket, or I got a rod knot for some reason. But I've been meaning to record the first video of pulling the first motor out, but we didn't do that, obviously. But so far with this, we got the motor and transmission in. The harness is all, it's in a mess right now because we're not organized like that. We're not organized at all. So pretty much we need the harness. I got a new radiator already that's gotta go in. We don't have many tools to work with. Over there on top of the ATV, that's all we got pretty much.
Hey, it works at least.
Yeah, so we're getting there. I mean, it is what it is for now. It's been working out pretty good. I bought a couple tools. Got an engine hoist over there, but this is it has 60K miles on it on the motor, or what they told me. So yeah, this shit is for sale. This is my old motor. It had a leak back here, and the transmission's kind of jank.
Not the tools though.
Not the tools. Not the tools that guy
I
says.
have any.
We don't have any tools, but no, yeah. If you guys want to buy it, let me know. I stay in California. It has a blown head gasket, like I said, and a slight rod knock. And it has like over 100K miles on it. It is manual transmission. So yeah, bang my line.
That's what we're gonna call it.
All right, so right now I'm going to the car, and I'm gonna show you what needs to be done down there. So, right now I'm putting on the tranny mount. I forgot to put this part back on. So I grabbed the camera, but my hands are kind of dirty. So as of right now, I don't know if
there's no light in there.
Yeah, there's no light, but if you guys know, there's a little bushing or whatever the fuck it's called under
the transmission.
Oh shit!
To hold it up.
It goes in the transmission mount.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm putting that back right now, and then right now after I'm done with that, I'll go back out and show you all the mess about the fucking harness. Cause that shit is no joke. That shit, we fucked that shit up.
Little preview. Oh fuck.
This is our problem over here. Got the whole harness, right? So these would potentially go right here to these coil packs that are on this side. Got these right here. These go to 1 and 2, which we haven't labeled, which is probably not what they are, right? So I'm assuming this harness would go to the back, down over these. And then we got this harness, this part of the harness, that goes to these coil packs. But our problem would be right here in this little corner, where this part of the harness is fucking smashed, because we're dumbasses. We didn't bother moving the harness when we put in the motor. So we got the whole 2 harnesses stuck right here in this little corner behind the brake booster. So I think we gotta lift up the motor or move the motor somehow to
get it unstuck.
Yeah, to get the harness unstuck.
Free that shit.
Yeah, so we'll see what we have to do. As of now, this harness is a fucking joke.
We'll update you when we get it done.
Alright, so we got the harness loose finally. So we were able to connect these coil packs in. So this final one would go right here to the final coil pack. And we got the other half of the harness good and ready to go. So right now I'm just tightening this
motor mount.
Top motor mount.
Because
lift up the motor.
Yeah.
And get it loose from the back. So yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so right now we're gonna figure out, we're gonna try to wire up the whole harness and then get the whole drive shaft and exhaust bolted on, and we'll take it from there, I guess.
I'll show you the exhaust while I'm here. Oh fuck, there's no fucking light. Oh snap. Yeah, I guess there's no light. Show you later.
I doubt we'll finish today, but if we don't make this video any longer, we'll show you guys again the process tomorrow, but we're gonna most likely finish up doing. Oh, fuck. Seems like you call me banging gears. Nah, JK, bro. We got the whole transmission on, we got the drive shaft. Butter. I never had a transmission like this on this piece of shit. So now we gotta figure out that fucking mess over there. And then, I don't wanna do it, but it's gonna happen. But I think we're gonna cut the video already. I want to get copyrighted for shit. So we're gonna figure this out and then just wait for the new video, I guess. Support your boy out here, man. Support us. We out here trying. We got more project cards that we're working on, or that we're gonna work on. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one.